What if I told you that the biggest obstacle holding you back isn't the world around you? It's a story you've been telling yourself. It's a story about limits and what's possible, and it's keeping you stuck in a cycle of frustration and stagnation. Right now, millions of people are feeling it. This quiet, gnawing sense that something is missing, that they're meant for more. And yet, despite all the motivational books, videos, and courses, nothing seems to stick. Why? Because most solutions only scratch the surface. Today we're going deeper. This isn't about quick fixes or feel-good platitudes. It's about uncovering the truth, facing the hard realities, and taking the real steps to transform your life. If you've ever felt like you're spinning your wheels, chasing goals that don't fulfill you, or stuck in patterns you can't break, then stay with me. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what's holding you back, but you'll walk away with the tools to take action. We live in a world that's constantly pushing us to be more productive, more successful, more everything. And while striving for growth is a natural part of life, many of us are caught in a trap, measuring our worth through external achievements, comparing ourselves to others, and suppressing the parts of ourselves that don't fit society's ideal. Think about it. How often do you judge yourself for not being enough, not successful enough, not happy enough, not good enough? These judgments don't just come from nowhere. They're a product of a system that thrives on insecurity, a system that tells you to buy more, do more, and be more to fill an emptiness it's created in the first place. But here's the truth no one talks about. This emptiness isn't real. It's a lie we've been sold, designed to keep us chasing something outside of ourselves. The real issue lies within, a deep disconnection from who we are at our core. Over time, we bury parts of ourselves, the messy, vulnerable, imperfect sides, in an effort to fit in or avoid pain. But those disowned parts don't disappear. Instead, they become the shadow that drives our fears, insecurities, and self-sabotage. This is why so many self-help strategies fall short. They try to cover up the cracks without addressing the foundation. They tell you to focus on positivity and affirmations, but they don't teach you how to confront the parts of yourself that feel broken. They don't show you how to embrace your full humanity, the light and the dark. Until we face this, we remain stuck in a cycle of striving and self-doubt. The longer we deny what's really going on, the harder it becomes to break free. But here's the good news. The moment you recognize this cycle, you take back your power, and that's where true transformation begins. Here's the hard part. Confronting the truth is uncomfortable. It requires us to face the aspects of ourselves we've been avoiding, our fears, our mistakes, and the parts of us we don't want anyone to see. It's easier to stay busy, to focus on external goals, and to convince ourselves that happiness lies just around the corner if we work hard enough. But deep down, you already know the truth. No amount of success, money, or validation will ever fill up the void if you don't deal with the root cause. The real challenge is giving yourself permission to stop running, to stop numbing, to sit with your discomfort and allow yourself to feel it fully. It's not easy because society doesn't reward this kind of work. It rewards productivity, perfection, and appearances. But true growth comes from the willingness to face your shadow, to acknowledge the parts of you that feel weak, broken, or ashamed, and to integrate them into your life. This is the challenge we all face. The courage to step off the treadmill of constant striving and to start looking inward. It's not glamorous and it's not quick, but it's the only way to create lasting change. So how do we break free? It starts with a simple but profound decision: to stop seeing your shadow as an enemy and start viewing it as a teacher. The parts of you that you've been avoiding hold the key to your transformation. Step one is awareness. Begin by noticing the patterns in your life, the triggers, the recurring challenges, and the emotions you keep suppressing. Ask yourself, what am I running from? What am I afraid to confront? Write these things down. Journaling can be a powerful tool to bring hidden truths to light. Step 2 is acceptance. Once you've identified these parts of yourself, resist the urge to judge or fix them. Instead, acknowledge them with compassion. Remind yourself that every emotion, no matter how uncomfortable, has a purpose. Your anger, your fear, your sadness, they're not flaws, they're signals guiding you towards what needs healing. Step 3 is integration. This is where the real work happens. Find healthy ways to express and process your emotions. This could mean talking to a trusted friend, working with a therapist, or engaging in practices like meditation or breath work. The goal is not to eliminate your shadow, but to learn from it and grow stronger because of it. Finally, take action. Once you've done the inner work, channel your energy into creating the life you truly want. Set goals that align with your values, not society's expectations. Surround yourself with people who support your growth. And remember, this isn't about perfection, it's about progress. If this message resonated with you, it's time to take the first step. Don't keep this realization to yourself. Share it with someone who needs to hear this. Like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more thought-provoking content. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video. If you're ready to take the next step toward creating a life that's happy, healthy, and abundant, book your free discovery call and we'll talk about our life transformation programs. Together, we'll uncover what's holding you back and map out a path forward. And to get started right away, download your free training and meditation audio. The links are in the description below. Remember, your transformation begins with one decision. Make it today.